And that went on and on, like I said before, and it was compelling to listen to. It doesn't justify what she did, but this is a part where somebody gives an explanation of why they did it. And she accepted full responsibility. She talked about her own parents. She talked about her husband. She talked about her babies, that they're a part of her, and she should have been there for their safety and goodness and how precious they are, how she broke the hearts of a community. She thanked the judge. I mean, this is the nature of her, Dina, the way she went about it. Hildebrand, on the other hand, was immediately questioned by a judge, and the parole board is going to look at this. The judge came right out of the gate with, why didn't your client give a statement to the probation department? Oh, well, she wanted to speak here. Okay, she gave an anemic, really weird, short, not very overly impressive statement, who essentially said she only took the plea because she didn't want to harm the kids testifying. That seemed pretty antiseptic, and the judge finally concluding that her statement to him and her point of view seems detached from reality. All this is going to be reviewed, Dina Dahl. Do you think it was a mistake not to have her better prepared, or maybe say nothing?
I think so. And like we talked about, possibly they did prepare her, but it's people sometimes act against their own interests when they're narcissists willing to do this kind of abuse to begin with. You obviously have a mentality, you aren't logical or reasonable. And the interesting thing is, although Ruby definitely hit all the points, even tying in her religion to it, we cannot forget that she's a YouTuber. She's a consummate communicator. If she couldn't come together with a statement that was going to communicate her remorse well, I would be disappointed. Hopefully it's authentic.
Okay, ladies, I want to ask you a quick question. I'll go round robin on this. Is this the end of this? Will the prosecutor pick up on what Mr. Steele, I believe his name was saying about a long-term environment here? That's question one. And was justice served? Dina, what are your thoughts on the two questions?
I would say justice is served, especially with the short, the difference between charging and sentencing, because dragging it out for children as young as they are, I'm glad that this got wrapped up quickly for them.